Have you ever wondered how scientists use DNA to find culprits of many different crimes? Well, they used the process of the gel electrophoresis to separate DNA. In this project, I did an experiment using food coloring to investigate the accuracy of the DNA samples, which were running through 4 different volts of electrical current: 18, 27, 36, and 45 volts. The question to be answered from this experiment was if the voltage matters in the process of the gel electrophoresis. Drawn from this, my hypothesis was that if I test an electrophoresis procedure with 36 volts of electrical current, then it will positively affect the accuracy of the DNA sample. These are the materials needed for the experiment: baking soda, agar spatter, 9V batteries, alligator clips with leads, rectangular plastic box, measuring spoons, butter knife, ruler, food coloring, wire gauze, cardboard, and water. This picture also includes the materials for the extraction of the fruit DNA, like the rubbing alcohol, detergent, and fruits, which I used for my initial experiment I did before experimenting with food coloring. Procedures: mix 2 grams of baking soda with 200 ml of bottled water in a bowl. This is your buffer solution. In a separate bowl, mix 1 gram of agar powder with 100 ml of buffer solution you just made. Take this over to the microwave and mix the mixture every 15 seconds until the solution starts to bubble. Before taking the mixture to the microwave, create a 3-line comb out of cardboard for the sample wells and place it in the rectangular box. Then pour the hot solution into the box with the comb. Let this set for about 30 minutes. Then take the wire gauze and cut and shape out 2 electrodes. After the gel has set, pour in the rest of the buffer solution on top of the gel. Then gently pull out the comb. Afterwards, use a butter knife to cut 2 lines on each end of the box. Then insert the electrodes into the lines cut. After that, connect the batteries. Finally, get your food coloring. Before you begin the experiment, you could wear gloves when dealing with the chemical content. Be careful when connecting the batteries to the wire gauze. Insert the samples into the wells. Don't worry if the food colorings mix. As long as the sample has been inserted in the wells, it is fine. Then connect the negative and positive sides of the batteries to the electrodes using the alligator clips. Let the electrophoresis happen for about 30 to 45 minutes. Finally, take out the gel and analyze the results. Now repeat these steps for each trial with different voltages. After you've taken out the gel, it should look like this. This is my graph. I have noticed that as the number of volts increases, the length the DNA has migrated also increases. In conclusion, my hypothesis was wrong. 45 volts of electrical current affected the DNA migration most positively. When I tried this procedure with the fruit DNA, I didn't get the results I expected. Next time, I will make a more complex procedure in order for my experiments with fruit DNA to work. This is my bibliography.